The provincial governments, particularly of Punjab and Sindh, and the FBR have paid little attention to a distribution formula for sales tax collection at different places on various services. The provinces have levied sales tax on services of intercity transportation or carriage of goods by road or through pipeline or conduit. The oil tanker contractors had been reporting to the government that they were being subjected to double taxation and had threatened to go on strike to disrupt fuel supplies that could affect public and private transport as well as power generation. This is fourth strike call by the on the issue in about 10 months, but postponed every time after assurances by the Petroleum Ministry that their grievances would be addressed. The Petroleum Ministry, however, has little role on the issue, expect that it is exposed to fuel supply disruptions as revenue matters have to be settled by the Finance Ministry and the FBR in consultation with the provincial governments, said a senior official of the ministry. The critical point of dispute on sales tax on transportation carriage services is between Punjab and Sindh. Punjab collects sales tax at destination and Sindh at the origin for obvious reasons. But transporters end up paying the same tax at two different points. According to the tax liability amounted to 64%, meaning on an income. The stakeholders need to first agree on some middle point and then amend provincial sales tax laws passed by the provincial assemblies in June. To top it all, the federal government disallowed input tax adjustment against provincial sales tax collection on various services through an amendment to its sales tax laws in June. The oil industry has also been asking the federal government to withdraw double taxation at the provincial and federal levels through general sales tax on services and goods, or to allow a proportionate increase in the prices of petroleum products. The industry feels aggrieved by withdrawal of two separate statutory regulatory orders by the Finance Ministry on February and March to disallow provincial sales tax as input tax adjustment at the federal level. Through the finance, the government has disallowed the input tax claim of provincial services sales tax against sales tax on goods under the Sales Tax Act of 1990 with effect from July 1 this year. This means the oil industry will not be entitled to adjustment for the tax on services like port charges, Fuji oil terminal charges, wharfage, white oil pipeline charges and other service charges, full stop.